Okay, and we're in chapter 4, lesson 2, and we have a couple of vocabulary words that I'm assuming that you guys already know because they're common denominators. And when you're looking at fractions, you always look at the denominators if you're adding or subtracting, and we are. But in this case, we are comparing, so certainly the denominators are important too. And least common denominator, or the LCD, is also important, but I'm assuming you already know that. You'll find those on page 272. And then we have a few things here. Example 1 on page 272 says fill in the circle with a less than or greater than or equal to, because you're comparing things. You want to know if they are equal to each other or greater than or less than, because in math you always want to know where it stands. Is it higher or lower, or is it indeed equal? And so you're going to be using your number line here. And we have the fractions, and it says -1 and 5/6. And we're going to compare it, so the circle, to -1 and 1/6. And so this one here has it all divided up into the negative. This is -1, -1 and 1/6. -1 and 2/6, -1 and 3/6, which is -1.5, -1 and 4/6, -1 and 5/6. And if we were to continue this, this would be 0 over here. And so just looking at that. And so as you get closer to 0, your numbers get larger on the negative side. And that's opposite because negative means opposite. So we're comparing them. So they ask you where -1 and 5/6 is right here. And they want to know is -1 and 1/6, which is right here, which one is larger? And so this one here is the greatest thing here. So when you do the assessments, write the words less than or greater than.